hell came out of your mouth? What the hell came out of your mouth? What is that? What did you do? Now that's how you flatten the chair. Well, let's see where all the food went. Well, here's some food. And there's some more over here. And there's some more. Oh, and there's some more food. We got more food on the ground. Look at the.
Oh my God, my back is jacked up. I hurt myself that last time. But look at the chair. Look what I did to it. Oh my God, it hurts. It hurt my ass. No, it's my back and my ass. Look, it hurts. Look, there's food all over our floor. We need to clean it up.
Look at all the food. It's everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that chair.
Look,
It's like a fucking box in here.
Let the dog in here.
Here, baby. No, he's gonna get used to that, bud. That's wrong.
Okay.